we are going to be unboxing the SUPCASE Unicorn Beatle Pro Bundle for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. These prices are fantastic. This watch frame will work on Google Pixel Watch 1 or 2 available during the time of this recording. Comes with a stand and belt clip, built-in screen protector, military-grade protection, with a heavy-duty rugged kickstand. The SUPCASE Unicorn Beatle Pro case for Google Pixel Watch and Pixel Watch 2 has bumpers that create rugged shock absorption with a raised bezel to protect your screen from damage. The device simply snaps into place. Both cases have superior drop protection and allow for wireless charging. The multi-layered TPU and polycarbonate materials create the ultimate drop protection. Precise cutouts, easy access to all ports, buttons, and features. Always insert your device buttons first and remove your device buttons last. A built-in kickstand supports portrait and landscape hands-free viewing. Built-in screen protector. Guards against scratches without compromising sensitivity. This is by far the easiest screen protector I have ever installed. Make sure the screen and screen protector is well cleaned before installation. Once your screen protector is installed and ready, you will need to go into your fingerprint biometrics by searching for the word fingerprint in your phone's settings. You will have to erase and redo all of your fingerprints with the screen protector on. This may take more than one try, but once you get it right, it will work just fine. Installing your Google Pixel Watch into the watch case is very user-friendly. All you have to do is push your Pixel Watch into the case crown first by lining up the crown with the hole on the side of the case and then pushing the watch all the way into the case. The watch case does not come with a built-in screen protector, but you can buy a separate screen protector and put it on before you put it into the watch case. I work on a lot of heavy and dangerous construction sites, and believe me when I tell you that these are some of the best protection you can put on your phone and watch. You can't go wrong because even if you decide later that you don't like the case, the price is right. Because most other cases cost up to 4 times as much and offer much less protection than the SUPCASE Unicorn Beatle Pro.